Hello everyone, Kitslam here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to have some fun working on a salt drawing. A salt drawing of the Flash logo, and this is because you guys voted for him in our previous video. So huge thanks to everyone who voted. I've got our table salt here as well as some backup salt just in case we need, which I'm sure we will. If you have suggestions for future salty superheroes or salt artwork in general, then go ahead and drop those down in the comment section. I'm gonna meet you up in the cards. Without further ado, I introduce the Flash logo drawn with salt. And that brings our salty superhero, the Flash here, drawn with salt to a finish. Guys, I'm wondering, what do you think? How did he turn out? Make sure you let me know in the comment section. And when you're down there, let me know what kind of superhero you would like to see next, because I got one more. These are whiteboards that I've been flipping over, converting to salt drawings. So, hey, guys, what salt drawing should I put here on this black sheet of paper? Let me know in those comments. I'll also leave a card up above to give you some ideas right there. Guys, my name is Kitslam. I want to thank you for joining me here on the channel. I post a variety of fun and creative art content each week. So if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification, and I'll see you in the next one.